Welcome. Today, we'll master database queries, exploring how to select specific columns, perform math on the fly, handle missing data gracefully, and leverage the special dual table. We start with a standard employees table containing ID, name, salary, and commission. Rather than requesting every column with an asterisk, we selectively query only name and salary. This minimizes network overhead and improves performance. SQL lets you perform math directly in your query. Here, we calculate an employee's annual salary by multiplying the monthly rate by 12. The calculated column can be given a clean alias using the AS keyword. Any arithmetic operation with a null value yields null, which can ruin your calculations. To fix this, we use the NVL function. NVL converts a null value to a specified default, like 0, before performing the math. Sometimes you need to evaluate functions, constants, or expressions without querying actual user tables. For this, SQL provides the special, single-row dual table. It guarantees exactly one output row, making it perfect for quick calculations. You now know how to select columns, calculate values, handle nulls with NVL, and test queries with dual. Apply these core mechanics to construct robust, error-free database queries.